The U.S. state is urging its citizens to leave Haiti as soon as possible because of the insecurity that exists on the island. An insecurity that is by design, created by the oppressors themselves. The Haitian people, we did not create this. This is not of our doing. We don't manufacture guns. We are not thugs. We are not gang members. We are truly a peaceful people. We are the true Israelites according to the Bible, and we are God's chosen people. That is not our culture. That is our oppressor's culture, and the oppressor has destabilized Haiti to the point where the Haitian people are willing to destroy themselves for a piece of bread. This is what happened when you destroy a people's agriculture. This is what happened when you deprive a people from the bare necessities of life, like water, food, and shelter. All right, you understand me? The core group and the so-called UN stabilization mission in Haiti, MINUSTA, which was formed by the UN Council, they have done nothing to stabilize the country. On the contrary, Haiti has been destabilized ever since their creation. All right, it has gotten worse since 2004. It has gotten worse and worse in Haiti. Why? Because we are being oppressed, because the devil that the Bible speaks of, our oppressor, is destroying us. And according to the Bible, you must pay. You must pay for what you are doing to God's chosen people, because you are a wicked bastard.